Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is 𝘮𝘪𝘢𝘰𝘺. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do boho knotless braids. Alright, so as you can see, I've already washed and blow dried my hair. This is what it's kind of looking like, you know, your girl got a little bit of inches, don't play. And I've also added the Curls Blueberry Mint Scalp Treatment already. My scalp is feeling out tingling and everything, and I love it. I am on a healthy hair journey, so that's why I went ahead and purchased this. And we're going to see the results and everything. Before we get into the tutorial, I do want to show you the products that I will be using. Okay, product number one, this is the braiding gel that I will be using. Regarding the hair, I have 18-inch expression pre-stretched hair in the color 1B. I bought 4 packs of them, and each pack has 3 of them in there, so hopefully I don't run out. I do have some extra braiding hair in my little compartment over here. Hopefully I don't have to resort to that because I don't think it's 18 inches. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I will be doing most of this tutorial in my bathroom, so I won't be talking because I don't know how that's gonna work. We'll see what happens. So let's get started.
Hey guys, so I figured I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do it really quickly, and then I'll get into the rest of the tutorial so it can be a little bit easier to process. So first we're going to separate them into 3 sections. We're going to take section 3, go under section 2 and move over to section 1. Next, we're going to take section 1, go under section 2 and go over to section 3. And you're just going to repeat that step back and forth until you get a braid. Once you get that braid pattern or that braid set that I like to call it, you're going to take a small piece of your extension hair, you're going to hook it on. Once you do another set, like 1, 2, 3, okay, you got to get another piece. Then 1, 2, 3, then get another piece. I hope this makes sense, y'all. You're going to hook it on to your index finger and your thumb, and you're just going to hook it as soon as you do a piece. So that's me hooking it so you can kind of see it a little bit. My apologies if I'm going a little too quickly, but you're going to hook it on there and then just keep going. I found that it's easier to use a lot of smaller pieces of hair than use a big bulk of hair. I think I separated 5 to 7 pieces of small extension hair, and that's what made it look so seamless like it's looking right now. Now this is me in my bathroom. I wanted to show 2 different shots so you can kind of see how I parted it. I first parted into 3 different ways. Then at the back section, I parted that down the center. And then I parted that section, divided that into 2 as well. I'm going to put up a diagram so you can kind of see what I'm doing. But at the bottom right, that's just me kind of going as quickly as possible so you can kind of see. And then the main screen, that's me going into details. The bottom screen, I separated across so you can kind of see it's easier to do it that way than do it into sections, but whichever way works best for you. In the diagram, I highlighted the portion that you're going to start off first. Like I said, you're going to cut it off into 4 sections, and you're going to cut off again into 2 sections horizontally, and then lastly, you're going to cut off a square so it can be that first piece that we're going to start off with that's highlighted in pink. So similar to the directions that I said before, you're going to get your gel, make sure that it's smooth. You're going to separate into 3 sections. You're going to go through the same process. If this explanation is not that well, I'm going to link another video of a YouTuber who does a better job at explaining of how to start the braid and how to really do this whole process. I personally would rather you learn how to do your hair properly than for me to get a view. So if that means you click off of this video, go to another video, as long as you understand the concept, that's really my main concern. But anyway, I just continued this process. If you want to continue watching, please be sure to watch, like, share, comment, and subscribe. But if you got the idea, thank you so much for watching. God bless you, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. But this is just me kind of doing the process of doing my hair. I'm not gonna lie, when I did this part, I was really excited because it finally hooked. The start of it wasn't as well or as smooth as I wanted it to look, but as I continued to do my hair, similar to the very first clip that I showed you, that's when I was really excited because it really looked like knotless braids. I know the video says boho knotless braids, but this is the best that I can do, and I will put that in the description. All right, now this is after day 1 and your girl is tired. So this is like day 2, I think. I can't even remember. I was exhausted. But the braids look cool. I like the length and everything. This is day 3. 𝘮𝘠𝘢, I was supposed to be on the road at this point, heading to homecoming, and I'm still doing my hair because I said that I can do it myself. And you know, sometimes you just gotta get somebody else to do it sometimes. But you know, it's a learning lesson. You know, they look okay, they look all right. They're not the best, but this is the first time of me doing it, so here we go. You guys have already seen this clip already, but from the zoom in process, it doesn't look that bad. They really do look like knotless braids. So I was pretty proud of myself that I even made it this far, thank God, because your girl was about to cry. Afterwards, I added the rollers to the end because I did want to get some type of curls. Like I said, I know they're not boho curly knots and everything like that, but they are knotless braids that are curly. So, you know, we making it work with what we got. So I finally finished all of it. This is me applying the mousse to my hair. I used that same brand and just applied it all over my hair. I didn't have time to sit under a hooded dryer, but I did just tie my scarf on top of it, and we kept it pushing because again, I had to get on the road because I had to go to homecoming. But this is what it looks like, and they look smooth. At this point, I was just happy they look somewhat decent. So this is me rushing to put my scarf on with my line sister on the phone yelling at me to hurry up. That's who I'm talking to. All right, we're good. All right, so now you're about to see what it looks like. I had to record it on my phone, but this is what it looks like after I took the scarf off and kind of let it see. So I'm going to be quiet so you can hear what I have to say. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Peace. Yo, these look kind of good. Okay. Back. These are kind of cute. What do you guys think? If I like flip it over, like, oh, don't play with her. Don't play with her. Don't play with her. Oh, she is not one of them. I'm gonna get my edges right. I didn't even do that. Oh, these are cute. And then I can do like this. Oh, I know. I can do like the thing where you like the little clamp. Get the idea. Like that kind of sort of just. It's giving. You did it.